Hello everybody, welcome back. After you watched the video section 1 of the data copying connection and introduction, now let's enter the video section 2. How to perform a disk copy task by data copying. Now you can see that this is one power icon of data copying. You can just simply click on it. Now data copying is starting up. So now we have entered the data copying interface. This is the main menu of data copying. You can see that the first menu is disk copy. Now let's perform the disk copying task. Click on it. So the copying detects the hard drives very fast, and now you can see the general settings of the two hard drives, of the source drive and the target drive. Look at the blue section. This is the source drive parts. You can check the source drive, model, LBA, start LBA, end LBA, and also the target drive, the green section, target drive. The SN number, the LBA total value. Yes, this shows the LBA value of the total drives. And here, the search section, you can also check that. Here is about the on arrow section. That means when you copy the hard drives, if you meet bad sectors, data copying will choose how many to jump. Here is the UMA mode. The copying detects automatically about the source drive and hard drive which kind of data transfer mode the drives support. Now we can see that data copying detects the drives support the highest data transfer mode, UDMA 133. Here is one section about if the hard drive support high-speed data transfer. Now, let's click Confirm. There is one warning. If you click OK button, then the disk copying task begins. Let's confirm. Here you can clearly see that data copying has a speed of 6.6 gigabytes per minute to copy the data from this source drive to the target drive. During the copying, you can click pause at any time, and you can click continue. Now you can see that we have finished 1% of the data transfer from the source drive to the target drive. And here you can see failure, 0, low failure it means. Also, there is one graph showing the bad sector situation, but it is because the hard drive is very big, so you cannot check the health information right now. Only if you have finished the copy, or if you have finished like 6% or 80%, then you can check. There is one clear graph to showing the bad sector situation. Now we can also click cancel the disk copy. Here you may ask, if I click cancel the disk copy, must I restart from the very beginning the next time I want to copy the data from this source drive to the target drive? The answer is, you don't need to worry about such kind of operation. you can click confirm without worrying anything. Now let's return to the main menu, and I will show you why you don't need to worry about that kind of operation. Let's go to the log section. Confirm. Here you can check. From log section, you can check all of the tasks you have performed. And here is one small icon. This icon means restore. You can restore your tasks and continue it from where it has stopped. Now let's try. Look, we have returned to the former disk copy section, and it starts data transfer from where it has stopped, 3%. And the data transfer speed is still 6.5 gigabytes per minute. In order to see clearly about the graph of the batch sector situation, let's return to the main menu and see disk copy, confirm, and here we can confirm. Then look, we have set the end LBA value as a very small finger. Now we can confirm and see. Okay, confirm. We have finished 100%. No failure. So it's very simple. When you finish the data copy section, you are here to sound. That means it is finished. So this is a video section 2. How to perform a disk copy task by data copying. So everybody, you can see that data copy by data copying is very easy. It requires no training. Everybody can use data copying to do that at a very high speed. The highest speed in 2010. Thank you.